Welcome back to Crypto Tutorial. On today's video, I would like to discuss Cardano, but before doing so, do not forget to watch my previous video about XRP. It is highly likely that this will occur due to the fact that we are experiencing a breakdown as well on Bitcoin. So please keep that in mind. Also, please give me a thumbs up down below on this video if you're watching this content and you are enjoying it. And as well, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to this video as well. This being said, let's get started. Clearly, what we are seeing right now on Cardano on the 4-hourly time frame is that I already opened up the chart. We are seeing this lower high structure on the money flow, lower high structure on the chart. So that is not actually concerning me at all. On the RSI, we are seeing an equal high getting formed and a lower high on the chart, but we are not seeing any bullish or bearish divergences right now. What I must say is that on the RSI, we still have a lot of room to break down, and this is perhaps concerning me due to the fact that if we're going to see a breakdown underneath this ascending support, we could experience even more momentum towards the downside. And that is something I personally would not be very glad with or very happy with if this occurred. So this was something I wanted to show you. We still have a lot of space on the RSI to break down even further and perhaps head even below the dotted line on the RSI, as we saw previously occur as well, before being able to go further towards the upside. So what I think is important right now is we have been trying to break out of this pattern several times already. We saw this spike heading towards the upside. We were not able to hold strong above this descending resistance. We went straight back down. We tried once more and we went straight back down again. So this pattern, this descending resistance, has been clearly a major resistance area, and right now it's actually even a bigger concern to me due to the fact that we have seen the 200-day moving average. So if we're not able to break out above the 200-day moving average on the 4-hourly time frame, it could perhaps mean that we are going to experience more momentum towards the downside. What we must take a look at immediately is that if we're going to see a breakdown or a breakout occur, that this is a trading opportunity that you do not want to miss out on, due to the fact that if we're going to break out towards the upside, we could perhaps expect a move towards the $2.63. That is absolutely insane, and that would be also a move towards the upside of approximately 19%. And if we see a move towards the downside occur, it would be also a 19% move, but that would mean that we are heading towards a downward direction all the way towards $1.68. So why do I think this is actually quite unlikely? Due to the fact that the orange box is a major level of support. So if we're going to see a breakdown, I actually think the $1.81 will be a major support zone, due to the fact that it served as a major support zone in the past as well during the previous movement towards the upside on Cardano. Therefore, I am right now not very concerned that we are going to see a even further decline below the $1.80 so far. If we do break out further below, this is a major stronghold, so as well a perfect opportunity to accumulate more Cardano. So that would be quite unfortunate due to the fact that we are not able to break out above the 200-day moving average and see a major spike towards the upside. But I'm still not bearish on Cardano at all. I just think this is a great opportunity to accumulate a lot of Cardano. As well, I would like to discuss right away the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame. If we are heading towards this direction, you can clearly see that the 200-day moving average will be there as well on the daily time frame as a support. You could see that it is right now aligned with the target of the breakdown, and that would be at $1.74. So perhaps if we're seeing a breakdown, the 200-day moving average will be serving as a major support zone. What is important to me is that the last time that we saw a touch point with the 200-day moving average, afterwards we clearly saw a trend reversal taking place. You could see that at this point in time we were able on the daily time frame to break this falling wedge and see exponential growth afterwards. This growth after this touch point was incredible. It was 190% almost, and therefore I am expecting actually quite a major move afterwards if we see actually a touch point occur on top of the 200-day moving average and hold strong above it. So if we are not able to hold strong above it, it could perhaps mean that we are going to head towards a further decline in price action, but that is something I think is absolutely unrealistic. So that's what I currently think about Cardano. As well, lastly, I would like to discuss on the 4-hourly time frame what are the other indicators saying and what I think is very important. But before doing so, do not forget that down below you are able to sign up to bybit and earn up to $1,610 deposit bonus by doing so, and you will be supporting the channel. So do not forget, if you are searching right now for a leverage trading exchange and also a spot exchange, bybit is my personal first choice, so I would highly recommend it. So do not forget bybit. You can sign up just by clicking the link down below, and you will be also supporting the channel by doing so. So thank you very much already. So if we take a look at Cardano right now, if we are going to see a Bitcoin breakdown, I'm actually quite concerned that we are going to see a breakdown as well here on Cardano. Therefore, that $1.81 target is where I will be placing my next opportunities to go long on Cardano. But of course, I will be updating you about this so far. What I think is of utmost importance for the immediate short term is to stay on top of this ascending support and to be able to hold strong on top of it if we would like to see a breakout occur towards the upside. Otherwise, we will head towards the target I just discussed previously. And if we take a look at the MACD, you can clearly see that the MACD, well, it was losing strength. Unfortunately, right now it's gaining strength once again on the 4-hourly time frame. And if we head towards the 1-hourly time frame, you can clearly see that the crossover is quite inevitable, and therefore we could see even more momentum towards the downside getting started and a further decline in Cardano's price action. This is something I wanted to discuss for sure with you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.